Hey guys, I'm out here doing a little bit of gardening. I'm still working on my volcano video. I want to make sure I get the right stuff for it. I'm trying to make it so it actually explodes out of the ground, and that's a little tricky, so I'm still working on that. But anyways, I wanted to take a quick break here and show you a couple cool things. I got a lot of stuff planted already, lots of lettuce, radishes and stuff. But anyways, I'm digging through right here, and I'm actually going to plant some more kale and spinach. And I learned that if you put stuff inside your soil to compost it while you're trying to plant, it's actually not good for your plants, because what will happen is all the stuff that's breaking down and decomposing, it's actually going to compete with your plants for the nitrogen that you're trying to create in the first place. So I'm kind of going in and I'm digging it up, and I'm removing the biggest chunks that are most leaf-like. You know, when you look really closely, you can see that there are some that are sort of starting to turn to soil, but then there's some that are leaves. So I'm taking those out of there. But as I was digging through here, I actually found something pretty cool. I'm starting to see a bunch of worms all through these pockets and, pieces of leaves that I put in here. And when I was digging, I found a really big worm. You probably can't tell that well from the video, but this is a really, really big earthworm. I believe this type is called a night crawler, and these ones are really good for catching big fish like bass in freshwater ponds. But I had a thought that when I saw this worm, I was kind of thinking about it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to put him back down in here so he can kind of be nice and happy, and he's not going to get too dry. We don't want him to get dry and moist, so I'm going to take care of him while I do the rest of this video. So he'll be in there. So I was thinking about when you find bugs around your house, and one of the reasons why I really love all the little creepy crawlies that are outside, aside from the fact that they really help the environment, they help pollinate flowers, they help us grow our food, all that good stuff. I was thinking about one of the reasons why I love bugs so much is because they really can teach you when you're young how to care about stuff that doesn't seem beautiful. It doesn't seem, attractive or interesting, or it almost sometimes can seem sort of scary. And I just think that when you learn when you're young how to take care of things that are small and they seem insignificant, or they seem ugly, or they seem gross or icky, when you learn how to take care of those types of things, you're going to be even more caring and loving towards everything else in your life. Because if you can take care of something that seems like it's not important and it seems icky, then you're going to take care of everything else. And when I think about how you guys are learning how to be better people and be kind to people, and we're all working on stopping bullying in schools and everywhere else in life, it's not really enough to just stop bullying people or stop teasing people or not be mean to people. You also have to make a really conscious, which means you're thinking about it all the time, effort to include people around you that you might not necessarily like or be drawn to. You might even think they're kind of icky. You don't like something they do. They're annoying. They do this, they do that. But if you can learn how to love other people, even when they don't seem like something you want to be around at first, you really can break down bullying. You can break down teasing. You can break down all these walls that people put up that kind of keep us apart and really push other folks down as they get older. If you go through school your whole life and you're constantly sort of being pushed out of friend groups and you're not really included in a class and everybody's got their friends but you're sort of alone, it really can make your life kind of sad as you get older, and it's hard to become the best person you can be. So going forward, I want you guys to not only be kind to people and not bully people, I want you to make an effort to reach out to those kids that are quiet, to reach out to kids that seem a little weird or seem a little bit annoying, and make friends with them and find out what makes them who they are and what kinds of things they enjoy, because we'll all be better for it when we start to learn about each other and not worry about always being the same and only having friends that are like you and do everything you do. You really want to diversify your friend group. You want to make sure that everybody's a little different and you're learning something new from everybody and you're including people, you know? And we can see that in nature. When you have a diverse group of plants, animals, bacteria, everything, that environment really thrives. If you take out all these things and make everything the same, everything's deer, everything's this type of plant, eventually that environment collapses and it can't sustain itself anymore. And it's the same thing with people. So I want you to think about that. I want you to take care of little creepy crawlies. I want you to think about the people around you. When we get back to school eventually, I want you to think about this, and I want you to start to treat other people like you would as a friend. Even if they don't seem like somebody you would get along with right away, I want you to try, and I want you to just spread that love and keep building the world and just keep making everything better around you. All right? So up next, coming up soon, is going to be that volcano video. And I miss you guys. I really care about you guys. I hope I can see you again soon, somehow, some way. We're going to stay in touch. And keep checking out the science stuff that I'm posting. And you guys take care. Happy May.